Hi everyone, welcome to my channel Neat Concept Clear. Today we'll discuss about the structure of a Graafian follicle, which is also called as a mature ovarian follicle. The process of formation of a female gamete, that is nothing but ovum, is known as oogenesis. And this oogenesis process is different from the spermatogenesis process. Oogenesis process initiated during the embryonic developmental stages in fetal ovary. In the fetal ovary, n number of female gamete mother cells, which are also called as oogonia formation, can be seen. Means n number of oogonia are formed before the birth of the child and no more oogonia formed after birth. These oogonia converted into the primary oocyte. They undergoes the first meiotic division and get arrested at the prophase 1 and forms the primary oocyte. Oogonia forms the primary oocyte. Primary oocyte shows the single layer of granulosa cells and forms a primary follicle. Primary follicle is converted into the secondary follicle and shows the multiple layers of granulosa cells. Here you can see in the picture, primary follicle, single layer of granulosa cells, secondary follicle, multiple layers of granulosa cells. Secondary follicle converted into the tertiary follicle by showing the fluid filled space, which is called as antrum. And this space is filled with the fluid. Fluid is secreted by the granulosa cells. Tertiary follicle is developed into the mature Graafian follicle. Here you can see the structure of a mature Graafian follicle. It shows the primarily oocyte. Oocyte is covered by the plasma membrane. Plasma membrane after perivitelline space is present. Here in the picture he did not mention Nana. Perivitelline space after zona pellucida layer. Here you can see in the picture, zona pellucida layer is a non-cellular layer. After zona pellucida layer, the outer layer is called as a corona radiata. Again, after corona radiata, granulosa cells. Granulosa cells shows the theca layer, right? And the cells of theca are differentiated into the theca interna and theca externa. Internal layer theca interna and external layer theca externa. ఇక్కడ మీరు గుర్తుంచుకోవాల్సింది ఏంటంటే లేయర్స్ ఆఫ్ సెకండరీ oocyte. ఇన్నర్ టు అవుటర్ అడుగుతాడు నాన్న, అవుటర్ టు ఇన్నర్ అడుగుతాడు. ఇన్నర్ టు అవుటర్ అంటే ఏంటి? ఇన్నర్ టు అవుటర్. ఫస్ట్ ప్లాస్మా మెంబ్రేన్, పెరివిటలైన్ స్పేస్, జోనా పెల్యూసిడా నన్సెల్యులర్ లేయర్, దెన్ కరోనా రేడియేటా. అవుటర్ టు ఇన్నర్ అడిగినప్పుడు కరోనా రేడియేటా, జోనా పెల్యూసిడా, పెరివిటలైన్ స్పేస్, plasma membrane. Hope this video is helpful to you. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you.